Is the point 1, 2, 2 on the line 2, 3, negative 4 plus t, negative 1, negative 1, 6? So we've got the point we're asked about is 1, 2, 2. Then we've got a line in point parallel form. It was 2, 3, negative 4. So we know 2, 3, negative 4 is a point on the line, but that's not the one we were asked about. Lines have lots of other points. Negative 1, negative 1, 6 is our direction vector. So the easiest way to check if a point is on a line is to set up an equation and just try and solve for a single value for t. This usually sort of works its way into writing things in parametric form. We don't have to start off with first finding parametric form. So this point, 1, 2, 2, is on the line if we can find a single value for t that makes the left-hand side equal the right-hand side. Well, we can simplify the right-hand side. Scalar multiply this t in, you'll get negative t, 6t. Add them up, 2 minus t, 3 minus t, negative 4 plus 6t. Okay. So now we want this vector, 1, 2, 2, to be the same as this vector for some single value of t. This gives us a series of equations. The first components would have to be equal. So 1 would have to be 2 minus t. The second components would have to be equal. So 2 would have to be 3 minus t. And the third components would have to be equal. So 2 would have to be negative 4 plus 6t. And if we can solve each of these equations and get the same value of t for each one, then yes, 1, 2, 2 is on the line. If we get a different value for t somewhere, then no, 1, 2, 2 is not on the line. Okay, so let's solve this first one. Bring the t over to the other side. Subtract 1 on both sides, t is 1. If these other equations give us t as 1, then we're good to go. So solve the next equation, bring the t over to the other side, subtract 2. T is 1 again. That's looking really good, but we have to check them all. So in this last one, bring the negative 4 over. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Divide by 6 on both sides, and once again we get t is 1. Since all the values agree, then whatever point you're looking at, 1, 2, 2 in this case, is on the line. There we go.